Sorry, there's no way to get up to the raptor pen until the new generator gets unpacked and built.
Hi there, it's me, Mr. DNA, and I'm here to help you.
Oh yeah, this is good coffee. It almost makes up for the danger and humidity.
Who would swing it all the way for you?
Better Danishes.
You have to kickstart it with your stun rod. By the way, whatever you do, don't try licking the ends of these things.
I want tasers on full charge.
Oh, come on. Who tore up the cage trap? I tell you, that raptor ain't budging until it gets fixed.
So, do you know what to do if the raptor escapes?
Yeah, well, Dune says to get up somewhere high so it can't reach you and only use our weapons as the last resort.
Oh, so there's a proper plan. Huh. I was just gonna push you over to distract it and then run.
Hey! Actually, I was gonna do that to you too.
How does this panel work again? Do I have to put in my zip code?
Pushing team moving. Back in. And push. Loading team, step away.
Cage ladder's jammed. Somebody punch in the security code again, will ya?
Good luck. I can't figure that panel out at all.
Joffrey, raise the gate. Shoot her! Shoot her!
Velociraptor?
No, not Velociraptor.
Maybe one of the other dig sites has turned up something.
feel it. There's a raptor right under here. Yep, I am bang on target. I just, oh, come on. It was there. It was so close.
Velociraptor?
Yeah, it's good shape, too.
I want partial credit for that thing. It's basically mine.
The one day I forget to bring scissors.
Remember, Doctors Settler and Grant want us to be especially careful when digging up this fossil. Oh, sure. Do as I say, not as I do. Next time, I'm just bringing a sandblaster.
Oh, come on. Who tied this rope? What is it, a reef knot?
Is this thing glued in there? Come on, move! Phew! I'll be extinct by the time I get this thing out. Yeah. A jackhammer? Oh, now we're talking. I promise I'll be careful. That might need some assembly.
Six-inch retractable claw, like a razor, on the middle toe.
Dr. Grant! Dr. Ellie! We're ready to try again.
I hate computers.
Feelings muted.
I give up. You give it a try. Be careful. That rope's holding up, some, oh, no, what's it called? No, it's on the tip of my tongue. Delicate equipment. That's it. It was holding up a bunch of delicate equipment. Oh, sorry.
I found a perfectly preserved Compsognathus thigh.
Really? No. That's mine. I had chicken legs for lunch.
Okay, I figured out what's wrong with it. It should have 2 wheels, not 1. And handlebars. That's why you fell off of it, Dave. No handlebars. Thanks. Yeah, that should stop it from leaning over and going around in circles. That's great. Now it looks like the picture in the instructions.
Shoot the radar into the ground and the phone bounces the image back. This program is incredible. 2 more years, we won't have to dig anymore.
What's the fun in that?
That thing looks like a 6-foot turkey.
Yahoo!
Who do you think you are? John Hammond. I own an island. Kind of biological preserve. Really spectacular. Spared no expense. Our attractions will drive kids out of their minds. If I could just persuade you to sign off on the park, I could get back on schedule.
What kind of park is this?
It's right up your alley.
So you two dig up dinosaurs?
Well,
Try to.
You'll have to get used to Dr. Malcolm. He suffers from a deplorable excess of personality, especially for a mathematician.
Chaotician, actually.